How to change your email in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make different changes on it. First of all, go to this website name workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right top, you can see this three line icon. Simply tap on this three line icon and here tap on your profile name. So there's a drop down of my account. Tap on my account. So basically we're in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on personal information. Now slowly scroll down. Here you can find a section of email. So basically this is the place where you can edit your email. Now keep a different email that you want to change and a verification code will be sent to your mail. Later you can verify it and you can easily change your email. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.